We're here at 362 Brace Avenue. Here's a view of the neighborhood. View of the side of the house. It does have a storage unit right here. We're entering into the backyard. There is two she sheds back here. This is the back of the house. It has new roof. Back to the front of the yard. We're entering into the home. Has vinyl plank flooring. Hallway. Here's the bathroom. This is bedroom 1. Closet space. This is bedroom 2. This is bedroom 3. There's the kitchen, the dining room area. This is the laundry, where the laundry sits. And that's all I have for you.